Alright, we just got a new package in here of some floodlights. It's a glorious light green lifestyle. It's a 2-pack. It's 100 watts. Made in China. It's got brackets on it. Surface mount, super bright, excellent heat, IP66. Yada yada yada, you know all this. Let's look at this. It's 120 degree, which is common. 9,000 to 10,000 lumen brightness. Color temperature is 5,500 to 6,000. Life is 20,000, 30,000 hours. This is the dimensions, but it's pretty heavy. I mean, I got some 50 watt lights like this, and this is 100. That's about twice as heavy, so I guess it's, you know, twice as big of a light. Open it up. Ordered these. I ordered them because they got the plugs already on. Alright, pulled it out. Pretty good size too. Bigger than the 50 watts. But come with it. It's all metal. The glass don't seem quite as thick on it. Got the standard old, bracket there. Pretty good. Let's see what this is. Just says all the normal stuff. I don't know what that does, but you know, made in China, yada yada yada. Well, let's plug this bad boy here up. See what she does. Oh yeah, it's got a 110 plug, switch on it, a little common switch. I'm gonna do this tie real quick. Sorry for a terrible camera. Don't knock it off here. Got a pretty good cord on it. I'd say it's 4 foot at least. Just 110 outlet. Let's plug this bad boy in right here. Let's see what we got. It is plugged in and it is glowing a little. Ooh, and it is very bright. But with it plugged in, I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, you can see on there. It is, the lights are glowing. I do not like that. That means it's going to draw electricity no matter what. We're going to point this down here towards the shed. Let me cut the light on real quick. Oh yeah. That's going to be just what I'm looking for here. I'm going to put it up on this post over here. Shine it, light this area up so customers come in at night. It's a deer processing place. They'll be able to see. I'll put it up on this pole. Be able to see real good. See to get deer out the back of the trucks and all that. I think we're gonna put another light right there where that porch right there. I think we're gonna put a 50 watt one there so it can be seen. And do that. There's a night light up there, but it's not enough light, as you can tell. It's pretty dark out here. It's hard to see stuff. Put these up. Sun gun's gonna be good. But out of 10 stars, I'm gonna have to give this one probably a 7 or an 8 because that ain't good. Let me open up the other one. Let's see if it draws like that. Let's watch it whenever I unplug. Yep, see? Cuts on, cuts off. I do not like that. Pull this over now. Just a minute while I get it out the box. I'm terrible. I'm new to this whole camera crap, so give me a little bit. Let's see if that one comes on. Let's see. Yep, does the same thing, but it is very bright when you cut it in. So, I mean, it's just as bright. It's gonna light it up good. I'm gonna put the other one facing out that way because people bring in deer and stuff there, and then we're gonna face 2 out this way so everything's lit up. I'll give you a sneak peek of this in a little while when we get them all put up. Thanks for watching. Give us a like, subscribe, all that. We'll put more videos out. Thank you.